Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was this guy. His name is Shay. He's pretty awesome. Well, fuck this. Chug a bottle of night train. Haven't done this shit in a while. My finger's all torn up from drinking so much. Yeah, buddy. You can see that fucking cut right there. 17.5%. Equivalent to like peppermint schnapps or some shit like that, you know? So, I'll drink all entire fifth of this crap. That's not good. Like I said, night train, 17.5%. Look it up if you don't believe me. Here's the label. Like I said, it's more heavy duty shit than normal. Yeah, whatever. Put that cap back on. Spank its ass. Fuckers. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And no. Not yet. Right. Have a good one.